Welcome to our channel. If you're an international medical graduate or IMG looking to gain clinical experience in the United States, you'll need to write a compelling letter to secure an observership. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to write an effective observership request letter. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the structure of your letter. Your observership request should include the following key components: a professional header, an engaging introduction, a clear purpose, relevant qualifications, and a polite closing. We'll break each of these down. Step 1. Professional header. Start with your contact information at the top, followed by the date and the recipient's details. This includes their name, title, department, and the medical school's address. Here's how it looks. Step 2. Engaging introduction. Address the recipient formally using "Dear Doctor," last name. Introduce yourself briefly, including your current status as an IMG and your interest in the observership. Mention how you found out about the program or any specific recommendations. For example, you might write, "My name is your name, and I am an international medical graduate from your medical school. I am writing to express my interest in an observership opportunity in your esteemed department at medical school name. I learned about your program through specific source." Step 3. Clear purpose. Clearly state why you are interested in this observership. Highlight what you hope to learn and how this experience aligns with your career goals. Be specific about the skills or knowledge you wish to gain. You could say, "I am particularly interested in specific area because of specific reason. An observership at medical school name will allow me to gain first-hand experience in specific area and help me understand the nuances of patient care in the U.S. healthcare system." Step 4. Relevant qualifications. Mention your qualifications and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the observership. Include any relevant clinical experiences, academic achievements, and skills that will benefit the program. For instance, "I completed my medical degree at your medical school with a focus on your specialty. During my studies, I participated in specific program or experience where I developed relevant skills. My dedication to specific field and my specific qualities make me a suitable candidate for your program." Step 5. Polite closing. End your letter by expressing gratitude and indicating your availability for further discussion. Be polite and professional, and offer to provide additional documents or references if needed. You might conclude with, "Thank you for considering my application. I would be honored to contribute to and learn from your team. I am available at your earliest convenience to discuss this opportunity further. Please let me know if you require any additional information or documents. Sincerely, your name." Finally, ensure your letter is well formatted and free of errors. Proofread it multiple times and consider having a mentor or colleague review it as well. Here's a quick recap of the full letter. 1. Start with a professional header. 2. Write an engaging introduction. 3. Clearly state your purpose. 4. Highlight your relevant qualifications. 5. End with a polite closing. Follow this template, personalize it, and you'll have a strong request for an observership. That's it for today's guide on writing an observership request letter. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating your medical career. Good luck, and see you next time.